All right, so let's talk it to our first alert meteorologist, Jeff Ray. We've got a lot of nice things to talk about, all things considered. I mean, it's nice considering it's July and we're not sweating like crazy.
Yeah, like we were talking about earlier, people actually talking to me here in July. Normally they don't, and what we need is perspective. So what you're looking at behind me is the temperatures in the last 13 days of July so far, including the 91 we had today for a high. These are all below normal temperatures. We've had just as many 80-degree days as 90-degree days here in the last week, and now we have another pair of 80-degree days as we close the work week, and then you can see what happens after the weekend. We get back to the heat. What we need is perspective, right? Here's your perspective. This is the exact same dates, but last year, last July, and these are the daytime highs that we were going through at that time. You see a lot of triple-digit highs, and that was the heat that you typically see in the month of July and August, by the way. Okay, let's look at rain. We had some good coverage, decent coverage yesterday and some heavy rain. That's not happening right now today. But if you're out early, boy, there was some fog around and a lot of cloud cover. It's since cleared up. We're now to mostly sunny skies in many locations. And I would need you to know that where the heavy rain has been, we will again have some fog issues tomorrow. The thickest fog will be where the heaviest rain has been over the last couple of days, and it'll quickly clear out. So mostly our eastern counties, you might have a little trouble getting to work tomorrow because of the thick fog. Drive with care. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll be into the upper 80s. We've got a 30% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow, 30% chance on Friday, only a 20% chance on Saturday as we get out of the 80s, get to 90. Remember the typical high this time of year, 97 degrees, as hot as the average gets. Let's talk about those rain chances. If you're looking for a little bit of that free water, there's a chance tomorrow, that 30%. You can see it's not that generous. There's a low pressure system that's driving up out of the coast, and that's going to give us some cloud cover and rain chances Friday as well. And then that low pulls away from us, and it's drier both Saturday and Sunday. We're still talking about the small rain chances. That low, kind of unusual weather pattern for this time of year coming out because it's not a tropical system, but that's where the heavy rain is going to be. This is the 7-day rain outlook, and those bright colors, that's like 7 inches of rain along the coast and a flooding risk. And as we zoom down into North Texas, this is for the next 7 days, so I'm really talking about all the way till Sunday. 1/10 of an inch to 1/2 inch of rain is possible. It's mostly from the Dallas-Fort Worth area and off to the east. Here's the 7-day forecast. We got a couple of 80s to look forward to for highs Thursday, Friday, and then low 90s Saturday and Sunday. That's very reasonable as well. Get out and enjoy the weekend because there won't be much in thunderstorms, but we'll get to some hot, dry weather starting Monday, and that'll be the story all next week.
You got it.